In this video, we're going to measure angles using a protractor. So what do we need to bear in mind? Well, we must put the middle of the protractor on the angle we want to measure, and that we always start at 0 and then work upwards from there. So let's move this protractor over to the angle we want. So nice, and the middle of the protractor on the angle. And you can see here my 0 is there. So I'm going to go up these numbers until I stop. And it is seemingly exactly 60 degrees, that one. Right, let's move on to the next one. So my next angle is this black one. So I start by putting the middle of my protractor on the angle. I might want to just slightly rotate that around there. And I start at 0. So in this case here, the 0 is the outside number, and I'm going to go up until I stop, and I stop here. So we've got 25, so I'd say that's about 26 degrees. Lastly, let's do this blue one here. So again, I need to have the middle of my protractor on the angle, and then I need to rotate it so that I'm starting at a 0. Doesn't matter which way round I go on this here. So there we go. So the 0 this time is on the outside here, and I'm going to go all the way around these numbers. So now I'm past 90, past 100, so this is an obtuse angle. Go past 140, and I seem to be just a couple of marks after 140, so I'd say this angle is 142 degrees.